minutes, the next 48 years of our lives. I say, fuck that. Alright? I say, fuck that. Let's go out there. We'll play the next 24 minutes for the next 24 minutes. And we'll leave it all out on the field. We got the rest of our lives to be mediocre, but we have the opportunity to play like God the next half of football.
Think we all hear it?
But we can't be afraid to lose. There's no room for fear in this game.
Let's have a bite of that.
We go out there, and we half-ass it because we're scared. All we're left with is an excuse. We're always going to wonder. But we go out there, and we give it absolutely everything.
He's eating weight.
That's your
or fucking sitting his eyes open.